In large sericulture farms, silkworms are carefully raised on fresh mulberry leaves to produce high-quality silk cocoons.
Each silkworm spins a continuous silk filament around itself, forming a compact oval cocoon made entirely of natural silk fiber.
Over several days, the cocoon hardens as layers of silk protein build up into a dense protective shell.
Humidity is stable.
The development here is very uniform, exactly what we want.
Mature silkworm cocoons display a smooth surface and consistent pale cream or golden color.
Once fully formed, the cocoons are gently collected by hand to avoid damaging the delicate silk filaments.
Each cocoon contains a single continuous silk thread that can reach hundreds of meters in length. The cocoons remain dry and intact to preserve silk strength and quality.
No chemicals are applied during this harvesting stage to protect natural silk properties.
Harvest timing is critical to ensure the silk filament remains unbroken. Only mature, undamaged cocoons are selected for industrial silk production.
The user wants me to transcribe an 8-second video scene based on the provided descriptions and prompt.
Uniform cocoon size and density are checked to ensure consistent silk yield.
22. Any broken, malformed, or contaminated cocoons are separated from the processing line.
The natural dryness of the cocoons is confirmed to protect silk filament strength. Each cocoon batch is weighed to estimate potential raw silk output.
27. Batch identification codes are assigned for traceability throughout production. This inspection stage ensures only premium silkworm cocoons proceed to silk extraction.
The cocoons remain fully visible as they are gently immersed to soften the natural sericin binding the silk filaments.
The boiling process prevents the silkworm from breaking the continuous silk thread. No harsh chemicals are added, relying only on heat and water to soften the cocoons.
Gentle agitation keeps the cocoons evenly heated during boiling.
Proper softening allows silk filaments to be unwound continuously. Overboiling is avoided to prevent weakening of the silk fiber.
Each cocoon is prepared for smooth filament reeling.
The silk structure remains intact and elastic after softening.
This stage prepares silkworm cocoons for efficient silk thread extraction.
The combined silk filaments pass through guiding hooks that align the fibers smoothly.
#55. Reeling speed is carefully controlled to prevent filament breakage.
56. The silk thread thickness is monitored to ensure consistent diameter.
The newly formed raw silk shows natural luster and strength. This process transforms individual cocoons into long, continuous raw silk threads. 66. Mild degumming solutions are introduced to soften and cleanse the silk fibers. The silk threads begin to appear lighter and smoother as sericin dissolves. #73 rinsing cycles remove all degumming residues from the silk.
This washing stage prepares raw silk for drying and further processing.
The silk fibers gradually regain strength as moisture evaporates.
The silk fibers retain flexibility and softness during conditioning.
Proper conditioning improves yarn consistency and handling quality. This stage stabilizes silk yarn for subsequent weaving preparation.
Yarn tension is adjusted to prevent twisting or uneven stretching.
Winding speed is precisely controlled to maintain gentle tension on the delicate silk fibers.
No dyes or color treatments are applied, preserving the natural silk tone.
The alignment on this spool looks perfect.
Yes, the luster is consistent across the batch.
9. Any irregular tension is corrected immediately to prevent filament damage.
The wound silk maintains softness, elasticity, and natural brightness.
This stage prepares pure silk yarn for weaving into luxury silk fabric. Warp threads are carefully aligned to form the foundation of the silk fabric.
The density reading on the left side is slightly low.
I see it. Adjusting the tension now.
Check the spacing consistency at batch mark 4.
Any weaving irregularities are corrected immediately.
81. Controlled airflow circulates evenly around the silk to remove excess moisture.
Drying temperature is kept low to protect silk protein structure.
This batch is nearly flawless. Look at the uniformity.
Yes, the smoothness is exactly what the client requested.
The washed silk shows enhanced softness and uniform texture.
The silk fabric remains smooth, lightweight, and flexible.
This stage transforms silk yarn into continuous luxury silk fabric.
Gentle finishing treatments are applied to enhance softness and natural drape.
Look closely at this thread. See the variation?
Yes. Yes, clear imperfection.
No direct heat is applied, preserving natural silk luster.
The silk fabric displays consistent ivory tone and pearlescent luster.
Each fabric roll is wrapped in protective material to preserve quality.
Storage conditions protect silk from moisture and excessive heat.
Your emerald silk delivery.
Thank you. It is stunning. The finest quality in the market, madam.
This final stage completes the journey from Antherea pernai silkworm cocoon to premium silk fabric.